Hello guys, kararating ko nga lang galing work. So, kain po tayo. Ngayon pa lang kakain buong maghapon. Meron dito tayong pizza. Tawag dito?
I didn't see that there.
Meron siyang sauce. Yung kung anong tawag sa sauce na. And milk tea. Ng Uritot. Yan, try natin yung beef ribs.
Get the key from where? Where's the key?
Ayan siya. Beef ribs, Korean barbecue.
Grab the key. I don't see a key.
Yan natin kung masarap.
There's no time to dilly-dally. Come over to the kitchen. Oh, look at this mess. We need to tidy up.
Sarap siya, manamis-namis.
Claire, listen. We need to tidy up. Return my recipe book to the nook upstairs while I get everything ready.
Yeah.
Yan, meron siyang tawag daw dito is curry sauce.
Ayan eh. Ano yan ulam? Ano ulam
Go
yan?
for a while.
Ano yan? Spare ribs ng beef. Try mo.
There we go. Yeah. What? Oh. The hell?
North Korea.
Wait, are they-
North
are they-
Korea.
Is there
Halika dito. Try mo yung noodles ng Korea.
my coach?
Try mo.
Clean up in aisle 6, 7.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so weird.
Sarap?
Sige.
Pwede na?
It's tingling.
Masarap lang.
Oh shit, not good.
Kain siya ng meat.
Alright. Now we have fire. Okay, we're good. Oh, the freaking wall? Oh, relax now.
Sige sa pagkain.
Better get through
You're
that.
welcome.
Which means we gotta use the cold. I don't know.